Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to simplify this one, and this one. So for number one, we know that tanx that is about sine x over cosine x secant of x that is about 1 over cosine x. So for number one, we can simplify like this. Tan x we transform into this one over 1 divided by cosine x. We can see that cosine x, they can simplify, and now we just have only sine x minus sine x, and this one you got number 0, so number 1 equals to number 0. Now let's go to the next one, number 2. So in this one we can see that cotangx square that is about cosecant of x square minus number 1. So we need to transform this one into this one. So this one and this one they cancel, so we just have only negative number 1, and that is the answer for number 2. Number 3, we can see that we have 1 over 7, so we can do about factorization. And this one that is about number 1, so we have 1 over 7. So on the question they want to arrange in ascending order, that means from the smallest to the largest. So in this one, the smallest that is about negative number 1, so that should be about number 2. The next one that is about number 1, and the largest that is about number 3, and this is about arrangement. This is the end. Thank you for watching.